Just build this a while ago, you know. That was my feel ugly, you know. I remember that was my feel ugly. Scraps done one jackhammer me have. So I want total jackhammer. So my scraps done I use some parts outside. Take out the motor. And me say, me go build a fan and things. So me say me go build a fan with it. I find when me want to do it, you know, but I decide to me go do it today. So this is a piece of the jackhammer part, and this is a total battery, but me not have no switch. So as I put on this, it go just turn on. So I'll get a switch tomorrow and finish make up that thing here. So watch you now. Powerful, you know.